They escorted their dad. There you are.
Watch out, they're slow in front of you.
Oh, because he has three. There
Yeah.
you are.
Yeah.
They escorted their dad. Oh my goodness. They have parade. What's happened? Are you not joining them? Why don't you eat? No, that's my cell phone. Oh, here. Come on. Wow. What? Excuse me. Where are you going? They're so funny. Uh-oh, they're fighting now.
Yeah, they got more than enough to go in tomorrow. I'll cut the more off.
No fighting. Oh. Ay! Sorry, I'm yelling here in my video. Ay! They're fighting with this, what's this? They're eating bugs now. The other one's digging bottles there. I don't know why. Yeah, they're busy eating. coming in. Oh. Oh, there you are. There's an 8 bucks.
Just nibbling away.
Feeding time.
And they're not even hungry. All they've done so far today is eat,
Yeah.
but they love something different, and this is different.
Yeah.
Yeah. I put that pot on.
Yeah.
Hey, you want to stay here for 2 weeks when we go out west? You're perfect.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, you just live in the house,
Oh,
all yours. If we die, it's all yours. You own it.
you.
But you gotta look after all these animals.
Oh, you. We're gonna chase them.
And no eating them. Well, you can eat the odd one. Just to be sure. Problem you would have though is you go, now which one shall I eat tonight?
Yeah.
And then you go, oh, he's kind of friendly.
I like the long leg.
And you'd have trouble eating that little one there. He's so cute.
Yeah. Yeah.
You want to fly there, puppy?
I have to pick berries.
There.
Is it still to pick some more?
We can or we can.
Hey, that's a good camera.
Oh, this is cell phone.
I mean, cell phone camera.
Yeah.
Well, because it really gives you a close-up. Hey, Laura, does your phone do this? She's getting amazing close-ups on that phone. You just start putting that on Facebook, you'll be famous. I promise. And in no time, the advertisers will send, I've been telling my kids this forever, but they won't listen, and Laura, the advertisers will start sending you money to advertise on your site because you'll have so many people looking at it.
Video taking.
Oh, well, so, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, but it's
I'm
telling
just
me
doing
the
my
truth,
sales.
right? And it's honest and telling me the
Well, I'd
truth.
like somebody to do it. I don't want my kids to do it.
Yeah.
So, I do it, but I don't, how do you know how to turn the phone on? So
I will teach you how.
I don't. Are you kidding? I tried to get a picture of a bear the other day that was looking in the
Oh,
window of my
really?
truck. He was.
They're enjoying their meal. Yeah. They love that. Look at them. Come on! Come here!
Wow, there's quite a bit outside.
Yeah. So most of them are here.
The goats like the trees better than the sheep. They like them okay.
Yeah. Look at it. She's trying to reach it.
This guy here's something. Eh?
Yeah.
Look at that weird horn configuration.
Yeah.
That goes back thousands of years, that type
Yeah.
of horn.
Yeah.
Like that's a long, long way back.
Look at that.
He's a tough guy.
Look at what happened.
You know why they like these leaves so much?
Yeah.
Because trees send roots way down.
Yeah.
So they pick up all kinds of minerals and nutrients that
Yeah.
aren't in the grass,
Yeah.
but it's in those tree leaves.
Yeah.
So by eating
Oh.
that, they get all the nutrients they need out of it.
Yeah.
Now eventually I'm going to run out of trees because I keep cutting them down for them.
Yeah. Why not? Why?
Well, they're Manitoba maple trees,
Yeah.
which are basically weeds.
Yeah.
Look how they grow. Look how crooked these are.
Yeah.
But eventually, I got to get them all down. But they're going to fall in that building and be the end of my.
Yeah. Ooh.
Yeah, and it's just flattened. And
Yeah.
they're getting really. But I don't like going up there and cutting that down because it's dangerous and I could get killed. So
if
that's
it's
where you
winter-
come in.
Yeah. If it's winter, you don't have choice anymore.
Oh, well, I feed them hay.
Hmm.
For about 4.5 months, then I buy hay for
No,
them.
but your protection from colds and bad weather.
Yes.
Snow and ice.
Yeah, that's what that building's for. Believe it or not, with all these little sheds and most of the lambs in the winter I put a back across
Yeah.
that boat
Yeah.
are born under there. Because if you get 30 or 40 sheep go in there,
Yeah.
it's like warm as toast, just from
Yeah.
their body heat. I never had a lamb with frostbite or even cold being born in there. But if you had them in a big barn, they would be. They'd freeze to death, but not under there.
Yeah.
I think that's pretty damn. She was just saying how clever I was. See, Laura probably, if she had her brothers in this life,
Yeah.
this probably would not be her cup of tea.
Yeah.
But she puts up with it just for money.
This is their what is it?
And after they get done eating all the leaves, then as you note, they eat all the bark off.
Oh, is
There's a lot
it?
of things.
Oh.
That one's
Yeah, look at the other one there.
Yeah.
Really, look at that. What's the white one? The white
Yeah,
one.
he's just having a real good chew.
Eating bark.
Yeah. It's funny, and they don't have top teeth. They only got young. Yeah, they can't bite.
Look at that. Look at that. Hey, little guy.
All of the big ones are tails. The little ones are tails down. That means they're not. Yeah, something's wrong. So I went and got those. Your mom's a good mom, but she doesn't have quite enough. I'll just eat these. Bottle of milk. I just use.
It's raining.